It is indeed gratifying to note that the Muir Memorial Hospital has completed 124 years of its glorious existence on the 26th of June 2020. And this year it will be entering the 125th year. We pay our homage and tributes to the founding persons, particularly Dr. Agnes Henderson, the founder of Muir Memorial Hospital, for her foresight and vision. 124 years back, she thought what Nagpur city really needed. In fact, Muir Memorial Hospital has become a synonym for service to the society. Our respectful homage to Dr. Henderson and also her team members. Thankfully, Muir Memorial Hospital has remained in the hands of very committed persons. They have not allowed the ill effects of commercialization to touch the hospital administration. The hospital has grown from strength to strength and has served the entire community to the best of its ability. We are also aware that the hospital at present is undergoing a rough patch. It is facing financial problems, and it is now the time for we Nagpurians to come out in big numbers and pay back at least a fraction of what we have received from this hospital. And I am sure that will go a long way in strengthening this organization. I have been associated with Muir Memorial Hospital for past many years and also as its board member for 6 long years, and I am aware of the various challenges which are being faced by the management. We salute the entire team of Muir Memorial Hospital for managing the affairs to the best of their ability, and particularly for keeping the vision and mission of this hospital absolutely intact. Let us extend a helping hand to Mr. Vilas Shende, the director, and his entire team, and I am sure the hospital will continue to be serving the larger interest of Nagpur city. Thank you very much.
On the occasion of Muir Memorial Hospital celebrating its 125th anniversary, I would like to thank God along with the psalmist, as it is written in Psalm 9 verse 1, I will give thanks to the Lord with all my heart, and I will tell of your wonderful deeds. God has done wonderful things for Muir Memorial Hospital. I thank God for our pioneers, Dr. Agnes and her medical as well as non-medical team who served the people with dedication and commitment to the people of Nagpur. My years of work in MMH was a memorable one, and I have learned a lot which helps me even today. My best wishes and congratulations to the whole of MMH family. Our Ebenezer God, who has led us thus far, will lead you in the coming days as you face various challenges and struggles. Congratulations once again. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, Muir Memorial Hospital is a great institution. It's going to be completed 124 years, and I am happy that the institution made a tremendous improvement in human life. It is the human-oriented institution. It's not an industry, but it made people's life. I am happy that I was involved with this Muir Memorial Hospital since 1974 to 1994. It's almost 20 years. Myself and my wife, we worked with the hospital. During our time, it's the community health which took the important role. We were very famous not only in India but from all over the world, people used to come and see our model. It was the time when we were training the women as a village health workers. The very famous person who wrote the book Where There Is No Doctor, it's a David Warner, himself came and attended one of the training program. So we proved that the village woman can do a tremendous job in the healthcare system. So those were golden days, and I am very hopeful that the hospital and the present leadership, Dr. Vilas Shinde, along with his team members, they can take the institution to a very, very high level. So I am very happy, and my greetings and best wishes to the institution and the staff and the management to take the institution to a very high level. Very best wishes, and thank you very much.
मेरा नाम विष्णु नायर एंड माय वाइफ ऐश्वर्या नायर। मैं लास्ट 30 ईयर से नागपुर में रहता हूँ और इस हॉस्पिटल के बारे में मैंने बहुत सुना भी हूँ और मेरा बर्थ भी यहाँ पे ही हुआ है। सो मेरा सेकंड बेबी का भी बर्थ इसी हॉस्पिटल में हुआ, जिससे मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है और मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये हॉस्पिटल का नाम हमेशा ऐसे चलता ही रहे। और रही बात इस हॉस्पिटल के स्टाफ और बाकी कलीग्स के डॉक्टर के बारे में, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। यहाँ के लोग बहुत अच्छे भी हैं और सबसे ज़्यादा बहुत केयरफुल लोग हैं यहाँ पे। यही मेरा विशेष है इस हॉस्पिटल के लिए।
Hello everyone, I'm Simple Elizabeth. I worked in Muir Memorial from 2013 to 2016. I would like to thank Mr. Vilas Shinde sir, Rajni ma'am, Vijay ma'am, Sulekha ma'am and Yasmin ma'am for all their hard work towards Muir Memorial Hospital, and I would also thank them for giving me an opportunity and supporting and guiding me while I was working in Muir Memorial Hospital. Muir has a wonderful work environment and it provides excellent patient care. I am very grateful to be a part of the Muir family. I'm very glad to hear that Muir is celebrating 125 years of glorious success. I wish Muir Memorial Hospital and all the hardworking staff all the very best and to keep up with the good work. Thank you.
Namaskar viewers, I am Satish Meshramkar, working with Prakash Institute as General Director and closely attached with Muir Hospital for the past 25 years. First of all, I want to congratulate Muir Hospital family for achieving 125 years of quality health services, completing these many years and still existing with the same mission which its visionary had. In 125 years, I don't know how many people have experienced the love of Jesus. And I praise God for this wonderful facility God has provided to Nagpur. I congratulate the director, Dr. Vilas Shinde, Superintendent, Dr. Sushma Dongre, the board, and the staff for their services they are providing in difficult situations. I salute those who ran before us, who sacrificed for the sake of Muir Memorial Hospital, all the doctors who served in this hospital, all the nurses, all the staff, all the paramedical staff. Whatever they have contributed, invested, they will have reward of it. And that's why we see Muir Memorial is providing quality services with affordable cost to the people who are marginalized, who are poor, who are in need of good facilities. It's my prayer that in days to come, in years to come, Muir Hospital will remain adhered to its mission and vision. Congratulations, Dr. Vilas Shinde and team. You're doing a great job. Thank you.